Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about USDJPY. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders. And then I'll put together these two different types of analysis to try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for the next potential move here for this pair. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that at the moment we are in a very strong uptrend. The market clearly has been creating monthly higher highs and higher lows, and during the development of this uptrend we can see that the very last move is an impulse to the upside, fueled by more institutional buying. And again, we will be speaking about this institutional buying in just a few moments when we move to the COT analysis. But here on the monthly, we have to notice and keep in mind that the market is in an uptrend, currently creating a new higher high, and actually it is also breaking above the previous level of supply and resistance. In fact, if we look here on the left, we can see that exactly from here, this is the level at which a lot of institutional sellers entered the market and created this rejection lower. Right now, the market is breaking above this zone. Now, in order to see if the market has successfully broken above this area, we have to drop down on the lower time frames, because on the monthly, of course, a confirmed monthly break above this zone would mean that we need to see the monthly time frame close above the zone. So we have to see a monthly candle close above the area. Now, of course, that is not possible at the moment because we still have a lot of time to go before this actual candle gets closed. But if we drop down on the weekly time frame, we can see that already in the previous week, we saw close above the zone. In fact, if we extend here this to the left, we can see that essentially last week, the market already closed above the area. And if you really want to pinpoint the actual level of resistance, when you see all of this, an easy trick that you can use is going down on a line chart. In fact, the line chart will give you the closes on this specific time frame. In this case, we are on the weekly time frame. Therefore, every angle that we see here is a close from a weekly standpoint. So this means that the actual structure is here. Now, after we have identified it and we switch back to candles, we can see that we already saw multiple closes above the structured zone. So let's keep this in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Now, from a daily perspective, the situation is very clear. We can notice that also here, the market is creating higher highs and higher lows, and every single time it is also breaking structure to the upside. We can see, in fact, an impulse to the upside, followed by this correction, another break above structure, another correction, another higher high. This means that the last level of previous daily resistance, which is now turned support, so the level that you would expect the market to go and retrace to, is exactly here. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. Right now, as we have just noticed, this is already inside of the structure that we have identified on the higher time frame. So we have all this area which was acting as previous resistance, preceding all these rejections to the downside, which not the market has broken it to the upside, is turned support, which means that if we will see a retest to this area, we have an increased probability inside of here to see more institutional buying. Now, why do I say more institutional buying? Because buying has already been happening on the institutional side of the market. If we look at the data for the JPY when it comes to the commitment of traders, specifically the non-commercials in the market, so the big institutional speculators, what we can see is that net positions with the last reports have been dropping massively. We went from minus 61.7k net positions all the way down to minus 146k net positions. So clearly institutions have been moving back to the bearish side for the JPY. Now, the data here is already reported against the USD. So this is JPY USD. So if institutions are shorting JPY USD, they are of course longing USD JPY by shorting JPY USD. And we can see that that is in fact exactly what has been going on. We can see shorts being increased, now reaching 259k compared to only 113k longs. So clearly institutions are positioned aggressively to the bearish side of JPY USD, so to the bullish side of USDJPY. So let's keep all of this in mind and move back to the chart. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in this kind of situation, if the market will retrace into this area, we have good probability inside of here to see more institutional buying, which at that point, as we just noticed, that will increase the probabilities of seeing a rejection higher away from this zone. So in this kind of situation, what would I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the CO2 data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a rejection higher away from this zone for the market to complete this daily impulse correction, an impulse pattern to the upside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same CO2 data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're open, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.